Hey, it's John. It's fresh after Thanksgiving. I needed a ride for the road, so your test whip of the week, it's the Chrysler Pacifica 2019 edition. The 2019 Chrysler Pacifica is a hybrid, limited edition. This one is in a gunmetal gray. Nice, sleek design for a van. And here's the rear view entry. Just a lift of the handle. Trunk space. There's where we carry Thanksgiving dishes. This is where you close the trunk. Some power here if you need it. And these seats actually recline. So you start here by pulling the lever. As you see, the seats come back, falls into place, and there you have more cargo room. You can carry lots of cargo there. The second row entry is pretty simple. With the click of a button, the doors automatically slide open, and you've got two individual seats, which makes it easier to get back to that third row when you have the seats up. And then you have this Chrysler bag here, which has all of the accessories you need, power, all types of things. And there's a remote and some headphones, so you can watch the TV monitors there. Even the third row of this vehicle has a sunroof, and up here we have a full moonroof. Brown on black interior cabin, spacious design, lots of cargo room, well-appointed interior. Push button start, entertainment and navigation console, all of our apps and control functions. It has auto CarPlay, our heating, cooling. There's some drive functions there. We've got entertainment options here, multiple USB and auxiliary functions, and then we've got additional power and a great cargo bin. Additional cargo space here, cup holders, and another cabinet. Oh, and there's more. This cabinet comes out and you've got an emergency kit and more cup holders. Control the interior lighting, the back doors, and the side doors from here. Open the hood of the car, more lights, program the seats, and additional window functions. Traditional dash, and drive functions on this Chrysler steering wheel. Driving down the country was perfect for my family on Thanksgiving in the 2019 Chrysler Pacifica. It'll be great for your family as well.